Welcome to this week's episode of Analyzing Chazal. This week we'll be analyzing a Rashi on Parshas Noach. Let's start with the pasuk. In Perek Vav pasuk Yudaleh, the pasuk says, "Asei lacha tevas atzegofer, kinim taaseh et hateva, v'chafarta osa mibayis umichutz bakofer." You should make for yourself an ark of wood, make rooms in the ark, and you should cover it on the inside and outside with tar. Rashi says, Harbe revach v'hatzala lefanav, v'lo me'etrichu bebinyan zeh, kidei sheyiru anshe dor amabil osek b'kuf chav shana, v'shoalim oto, ma zos lecha? V'omer lehem, asir HaKadosh Baruch Hu lahavi mabel le'olam, ulai yashuvu. There are many ways that God could save Noach. So why did God trouble Noach to build the ark? The answer is that in order that the people of the generation of the flood should see Noach building the ark for 120 years, and they will ask him, "What are you doing?" And Noach would reply that God is going to bring a flood to the world, which might cause them to repent. The question. It would seem from this Rashi that the purpose of building the ark was that the people should ask Noach what he was doing, to which Noach would respond with his rebuke, that God was going to bring a flood to destroy the world if they do not repent. The world at this time was relatively small, and certainly within a year or two, or even less, everyone would be able to see Noach building the ark, ask the question, and get Noach's rebuke. The second and third and thousandth time they see Noach still building the ark, they will no longer ask the question. So why do it for 120 years? Build it the last year and give them one last chance to repent. The answer. As always, the answer must come from within the question. The question was, why did Noach need to build the ark for 120 years if everyone would see him building it the first year or two and get his rebuke? They will not ask again why he's building the ark and will anyway only hear the rebuke that one time. The answer can be that we underestimate the power of repetition. It is true that they would only ask the question once, but every time they saw Noach building the ark, his answer would be thrust into their mind, giving them constant additional opportunities to repent. The practical application. In our lives, when we want to work on changing a character trait or work on doing a mitzvah better, the more we repeat the act over and over again, the more of an impact it will have on us. This is true even if we just watch someone doing an action multiple times. It will have an impact on us, either for the good or chas v'sholom for the bad, depending on the action. This is why it is so important for us to be supremely careful of what we allow our eyes to see, as the more times we see something, the more potential impact on our avodas Hashem it can have. See you next week for Parshas Lech Lecha. Have a wonderful Shabbos.